New hires need a streamlined packet of practical tools and clear expectations that gets them productive on day one. Start with a step-by-step operations manual that covers standard treatment processes from site assessment through follow-up, written in plain language and organized by pest type and property type. Provide short video demonstrations that mirror the manual exactly, showing equipment setup, mixing ratios, application patterns, and PPE used so learners can watch then replicate. Keep each clip under 10 minutes and focused on a single procedure. Include a safety and protocol guide that lists required personal protective equipment, chemical handling rules, spill and exposure response steps, and local reporting requirements. And make sure it uses checklists and decision trees so technicians can act without hesitation. Add a client communication script and role-play exercises to teach how to perform a courteous inspection, explain findings, set expectations for treatment outcomes, and document informed consent on the customer record. Supply a customer relationship management walkthrough that shows how to log jobs, schedule follow-ups, record chemical lot numbers and application rates, and upload before and after photos, so administrative tasks do not slow fieldwork. Round out the packet with a quick reference Pocketcard or mobile-ready PDF that lists treatment flows, emergency contacts, common product label notes, and a glossary of terms, so technicians have essential information at their fingertips. The three common mistakes are inconsistent documentation, improper mixing or application, and poor communication with clients. To fix inconsistent documentation, insist on using the Customer Relationship Management System in every visit and audit entered records weekly to give corrective feedback. To prevent improper mixing or application, require technicians to follow label directions and carry a calibrated measuring device, and have a supervisor do paired checks until competence is demonstrated. For communication lapses, train staff on the client script, require a short before and after briefing with each customer, and review recorded calls or ride-along notes to reinforce best practices. BigHomeProjects.com links homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find steady work by listing projects and offering a space where people discuss experiences and recommendations. We maintain a discussion community on the site where professionals and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and learn practical approaches to projects.